If you're thinking of selling your home, you are probably willing to let potential buyers and their agents inside, providing the right procedures are followed. Hosting an open house, however, is a completely different situation. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and this is certainly understandable given the health concerns associated with social contact these days. The dilemma facing real estate brokerages is to provide the best market exposure for their clients' property while at the same time promoting safety throughout the process. Giving these conditions a digital game plan and effective online marketing strategy was never more important. Currently, state guidelines have prohibited traditional open houses, so we are leveraging technology to create the experience virtually. To accomplish this, we are creating a virtual tour from high-resolution photos and inserting the agent via a green screen into the rooms to explain the property's attributes, simulating a real video. In the case of vacant homes, photos can be enhanced with virtual furniture and furnishings. Our statistics show that there is a four-fold increase in the number of video views of our properties in the MLS. Creating and making available floor plans from digital photos that highlight the property in great detail. Adding drone footage to provide an overview of the neighborhood and the nearby features. Potential buyers are more interested in community details than ever before, especially as their choice of homes is limited due to low inventory. Scheduled video conferences to connect with potential buyers that allow for questions via live video chat. They are advertised just like a traditional open house, except that the new address is a Zoom or Skype link. While real estate is considered an essential business, there are still many constraints we are working under. In a previous video, we outlined many of the precautions we and other realtors are following. In this new era of life, things are shifting so quickly, and as a company, we are committed, as we always have been, to providing clients with the very best in technology, marketing, and service. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection. Be safe and imagine more.